Today we are going to assemble this 59 Tonka truck. It used to be a city truck, state truck, orange in color. But we're gonna put this thing together. It has the hood, the cab, whatever you want to call it. I have two different colors here. I don't know which one to use. And I got, of course, the axles. They say Ford on them. Pretty cool. There's the other one. One's a little bit bigger than the other. And of course, this is not original. The truck's original, but the parts are not. The wheels came from a 1962 Roadster. Nyland, I think that's the way you pronounce it. Yeah, here's the frame. It's all painted like a teal blue, real beautiful color, real popular. I've had good luck with this color. So here's the cab. 58, I meant, I'm sorry. First I said 59. It's a 58 Ford. Very rare. And the reason I'm saying rare is because this particular model was the only year where that looked like this style, that had the chains. I don't know if you can see that on there, but see, those are the tailgate chains. I'll take them out of the bag so you can see. See? And they went on here. See right there? They go right here. What? See this? Bear with me over here because this is my actual first video that I'm doing with these Tonka trucks. I restore them. And they go there. You'll get the idea when you see it. And it's pretty much slots everywhere where they go. It's like here. This will go right here. And you just tuck it in. See how it has a bend on it? There's like a little bend right there. And that tucks in. Yeah, you just kind of get that right there. Bam. Okay, that's that. But it is going to come together pretty quickly. Really neat truck. It's going to be on eBay, so if you guys want to bid on it, it's going to be on eBay. Just Google vintage Tonka trucks. Real popular truck, so very proud of this truck. So this is my first video, so my next video, you'll be able to see it getting assembled. So have fun with your toys and your models and all your favorite hobbies. Thank you very much for watching my video.